good, YouTube? What's going on, man? It's like, what time is it? 9:54, man. Be here. New York session. I'm trying to get this trade, man. Nasdaq is acting a fool. Nasdaq is playing games, man. I hope Nasdaq keep going up to the upside. Let me show you. Hope Nasdaq keep going up. So this Nasdaq right here. Hopefully it goes up, man. So I'm waiting patiently. I want to see price break this high right here and break this resistance on. You know what I'm saying? Then we go up for. Then I set up maybe a demand zone will set up somewhere over here, hopefully. But right now I'm waiting patient. I thought price gonna come down and hit this demand zone right here, but I was not gonna take this trade if it would hit down there. It might. At first the momentum was going through. It looked like we're gonna smash through this demand zone, but price is going back up. So we'll see what happens, man. See what happens. That's trading. Trading is boring. Once you got a system and a strategy in place, you sit and wait, man. Sit in your hands, man. I ain't rushing nothing. Till I see my setup. Till then, I'll wait. Yeah. Price just broke past my two high levels. Broke past resistance. Now waiting for it to hit this demand zone. You know what I'm saying? I could have took this price going up, but there's resistance blocking away. That's why I didn't take this trade. I can show you real quick. I seen resistance right here. That's why I didn't take the trade. So I want the price to break through this resistance, and it broke these two high levels. So now I wait the price come back and just hit this zone or create another demand zone right here. You know what I'm saying? Create another demand zone. Then I take that. So the reason why I didn't take this trade, this resistance right here, I seen it. I seen the two levels right here formed up together. So I can take it. So now I'll wait for price to come back down and do what it do. So right now we just flowing with the market. Just flow right with the market. Little update, man. NQ playing games right now. It's like 11:22. I'm being patient. Nothing yet. Let me show y'all. Look, it just sitting there, man. I want price to break off this high, man. When price break this high, I can mark up the next demand zone. Reason why I created demand zone just to see if it goes up, but I go by body of the candle to break the high. You know what I'm saying? I kind of do like the smart money concepts with it. You know what I'm saying? Other traders, the wick is okay. They let the wick break the high and they mark the demand zone, but see, that's why I don't take trades like that. Look, you know what I'm saying? You stuck in a range. I don't see price. The body of the candle just break the high level. Then I'll mark up my next demand and see what happened, man. But 11:23, if nothing don't hit by 12 o'clock, I am done for the day. So let's see what happens. Nasdaq. I understand those is the holiday season, December and fourth quarter. So, hey, let's see. Yep, I am done for the day. No trade for me. As you can see, price just acting crazy, man. It ran out of gas, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's NQ for the last quarter 4 in December. You know what I mean? Tomorrow could be my last day trading. I might come back trading again January 5th. Cause next week at the holidays, you know. I don't trade during the holidays. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, the market ranged out. It ranged. Nothing. And it's past, it's like 12 o'clock. My trading window is closed. closing shop, we closing office. I don't care if price come all the way down and hit this demand zone. I don't care. My window of opportunity is now shut. So that's trading in a nutshell, man. Be patient, wait, follow your system and your process. Especially follow your system and have patience. Have patience doing so. You feel me? And be good. You know what I mean? I could have took a loss if I would have took that buy, but I go by body of the candles, breaking structure, not just a wick. A wick is like a quick liquidity grab. Liquidity grab. You feel me? That's why I do. I don't do wicks breaking structure. I rather prefer the body of the candle hit. You know what I'm saying? So wow, look like price is dropping down to that demand quick. Turn it back real fast. See that? It's going down quickly. But I gotta follow my rules, man. 12 o'clock, hang it up. I try to record something, a little something, but no action. So, gotta be disciplined in this game, you feel me? Gotta be disciplined. It's you versus you. You know what I'm saying? Only you gonna beat you. You know what I'm saying? Trading is 90% psychology, 10% strategy. You know what I'm saying? It's you versus you. Y'all, we are at the charts. Right now, the market's still open. It's like almost 4 p.m. Eastern time. 4 p.m. Eastern. All right. Let me show you this loss. This is a real good loss. Lesson learned, because I never came across this loss before. All right. Let me zoom in. Zoom in. All right. As you can see, there's two demand zones here, right? There's one demand zone here. Right? There's a second demand zone right here. So I seen price broke through this range right here, came down to the downside. I forgot what they call this candle formation, but it's a thing. It's a strategy. But I only trade supply and demand. Only. That's it. But anyway, price broke down. Coming down. And I was about to get off for the whole day. I trade between 9:30, 12 o'clock, and I was done. But as you can see, around 12:05, right here, the 12:05 candle was racing down. I said, you know what? Let me stick around and see what happened when price hit these zones. That's exactly what I did. Now, I never traded a chart with two demand zones inside of each other. I'm saying this is not a higher time frame demand zone. This is all 5-minute demand zones. I do not draw my supply and demand zones on the higher time frame. Only on my entry time frame, the 5-minute, I draw my supply and demand zones. So both these demand zones is for the 5-minute. But what got me confused was which demand zone will be active and which one should I take, because they inside each other. So I decided to take this first demand zone. As you can see, I got my long tool placed up my entry point. And you can see the loss I took. Price enter, went inside this demand zone, went inside the second demand zone, and it came back up, and I took entry right here. That red arrow right here. Then price retraced back and it came back inside. I was in drawdown, right? In my system, I get out the trades between $400 and $600 in drawdown. I'm out the trade. That's exactly where I lost. So basically, when drawdown hit about 300, 337, I got the trade. But what confused me was which zone should I took. But when I look back again, I should have taken this zone right here, the second one. Because price reacted in this zone, came back up and just took off. Took off. As you can see, it went past my TP. It could have made a 1, 2, maybe 1 or 3. Let's check. Yeah, almost, yeah. It went straight to 1 or 3. Went way past 1 or 2. No, but I took entry on the wrong zone. That's a lesson learned for me. I'm glad this happened. I'm glad I waited around and took this trade. Now I know. So next time I see 2 demand zones like this inside of each other, I know exactly what to do. Forget about the old demand zone, which was not fresh no more. Because price came up and it smashed into this demand zone. You know what I'm saying? The price went up, went up, went up, went up. It broke structure right here. It broke structure and it formed a new demand zone right here. That's the new demand zone. You know what I'm saying? So what I should have did was I should have got this demand zone and just deleted it. Bam. There you go. Now you see more clearly. Now you see more clearly. This demand zone was the original demand zone. I should have took it. So now, if I would have took my long tool and it went down on my original entry point, what I would have took, it will look something like this. You know what I'm saying? That's an entry I will take. And this entry cooked all the way up. It cooked. But I took my entry right here. Right here. This is my entry. Now you see how off it is. My entry is too far from the zone. Too far from the zone. Almost like a break or candle entry. You know what I'm saying? I don't take break or candle entries. I take my entry as close to the zone as possible. Like right here. But fortunately, that didn't happen. And I took the loss. Lesson learned. Lesson learned. Lost 337. Cool. All right. Lesson learned. And I also take 101s. I don't take 1 or 2s. I'll take 1 or 3s. My strategy is 101 based. High win rate. I have a set TP and stop loss. I go by between 40 points to 50 points. TP and stop loss. But I don't let price. I don't let my drawdown hit all the way down to stop loss. I stop between 300 to 600 and I cut the trade off. I'm saying why I do that because I'm saving my capital, risk management. I'm managing my risk, but if TP hit, I will get profit of between $900 to $1,000. So if I take a $400 loss in the next trade, I hit $930 or $1,000, that $400 loss will be erased. I'm saying I'll make profit regardless. That's why I never let price hit my stop loss. Never. Not with the system, not with my system. So once I cut my trades between 3 to 6, and my winners will be like 900 to 1,000, that's like me hitting a 1 or 3 every time. Why? Because I cut my risk short. I never let price hit my stop loss ever, or buy them just too quick and just smash right through real fast, and I ain't had no time to cut it off. So that's my strategy, man. Works really good. Saying for NQ E-mini, managing your risk. Saying if you want high TP, $900 to $1,000 TP, you know what I'm saying? Do 101s. You're risking $900 to $1,000, but you cut your You cut your losses short between $300 or $400 to $600. You're good. Then take that loss, $400. Take your $400 and $500 loss. Tomorrow, trade again. And if you hit TP, you hitting $900 to $1,000. And you made maybe $400 or $500 profit on top of your loss. Simple, man. Simple mathematics. Simple mathematics, man. But December been rough, man. Look at my personal stats. All right. Cool. A 57% win rate. One more win would bump it up to 60. My original win rate is between 60 to 66% right now on my journals. You know what I'm saying? It's a brand new Top Step combine. All right. My profit factor is 1.57. You know what I'm saying? My original, my journals is 2.2 point average. Then that could jump up. You see my equity curve going straight up, but this loss maybe took a dip. But I'm not worried about this loss today. All right. And you see my losses, my average loss duration is 1 minute and 47 seconds. You know what I'm saying? I cut my losses short. I don't let it hit full stop loss. I cut my losses short. This is proof right here. 1 minute and 47 seconds on my losses. My average wins is 3 minutes. You know what I'm saying? I hit TPs. I cut my losers short. Risk management purposes. And a monthly PL is 515, you know? You see, December been a little bit rough. All my profits been $200, and $100 just today because price is choppy. It's very, very choppy. Price look like about to go to my TP, and it turns back around. So I take what the market gives me, man. That's it. I get a good setup. So tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow might be my last day trading because next week here is the holiday week, and I don't want to trade that. So I'm going to skip the holiday week and come back trading again January 5th, 2026. So I might cut either tomorrow or Monday will be my last day trading for the whole 2025. I will see what happens on tomorrow. If I get good profits tomorrow, maybe $900 to $1,000 profit, then I won't trade this Monday. But if I don't get a trade tomorrow, then I trade for Monday. That's it for 2025, man. You know what I'm saying? So far, it's an okay trading month. I've been cautious, doing great risk management, as you can see. I take what the market gives me. You know what I'm saying? This is not my normal TPs, 200 and 100. You know, I just took what the market give me. These should be like $900, $2,000 easy. But December price action, man. It's acting funny. Acting real funny, man. Real funny. I'm good. Good money. As you can see here, good money. I'm saying I'm more on defense when I trade. I'm more like a defender. You know what I'm saying? I'm more defense than offense. I control my risk much as possible. That's why it's a small, man. I cut my losers short. $300 to $600 in drawdown. I cut the trade off. And that's it. I take one trade a day. I take one trade. As you can see, one, two. Why the fuck I got two here? I forgot. But this ain't two, but whatever. One trade. I take one trade. One and done. I take one trades. That's it. Win or lose, one trade. I'm done. Then I try to stop my problem. It's revenge trade. I don't want a revenge trade no more. So I'm taking one trade. Win or lose, one trade. If I lose, fine. Tomorrow, it's another day. Take another good setup. Hit TP. Erase this 300 off. Books. So right now, my week right here, I'm minus $23. If I get a good win tomorrow, good TP hit, between $900 to $1,000. There you go. $900,000 right here. All good, man. All good. Manage your risk. Follow your system and process. Stick with one strategy. Stop strategy hopping. Stick with one strategy. Mine's is supply and demand. With my rules and my system. Looking good, man. Looking good. Good. Look at this price action. Range. Straight range. Ain't going nowhere. Price should be going up this way. Then that's how pressure should be going, but it's stuck in a range now. Stuck in a range now. Then price is ranging. Boom. Range. 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 Ranging. All range, man. Ain't going nowhere. Alright, y'all. This is the end of this video. So like and subscribe, support my channel. Gonna be more trading videos to come. Taking y'all on my journey to be a profitable trader. Right now, I feel like I am a profitable trader. Now I just gotta get these withdrawals, man, past this combine, and that's it. Make things happen, man. But I'm gonna take you on my journey, my trading journey. So stick around, like and subscribe, support my channel. There'll be more videos to come, y'all. Alright? Peace.